Hey there, I am doing an unboxing from Kaleidoscope Geckos. I have a breeding pair Dalmatians that Ashton sent to me. And so I've just opened the box, and as you can see here, we have a nice cold pack that's still very cold. And oh my gosh, sweetheart, you're upside down. What are you doing? Hi, sweetie, you're upside down. So this is the girl, and this is the boy. Hi, honey. Would you like to come out? Oh, you poor thing. Come here, sweetie. Want to come out? It's okay. What a cutie you are. Hi. Hi, beautiful. Yeah. Oh, she's adorable. Look at her. She's happy and healthy, and well, I think she's happy now that she's out of that thing. Look at that face. Oh my goodness. She is adorable. Are you looking at yourself? Hi. Oh my goodness, you are just beautiful. Hi, buddy. And your friend is ready to come out as well. Hi, can I pet you? Will you let me pet you? Oh, hi. Okay, I'm gonna... Oop, she's not ready to get petted right now. She just needs some time to acclimate. Hi, honey. I'm gonna get you in there, and I'll open the gentleman in the next little video. Okay, so she's entered her house. She's smelling and getting used to things, I'm sure. She's gonna need a little bit to get acclimated. Yay. Good girl.